My name is Sam Hickler. I'm the VP of Operations for Platte River Networks.
And I'm Craig Papke of Platte River Networks, and I run our Operations Center.
Describe how you use Autotask to do your job every day.
I use Autotask in all aspects of my job. I use almost all of the modules, but mostly I'm using it at a high level and using Autotask analytics to understand our business better so that we can take action.
And I use mostly the service desk to manage ticket flow and the queues as incoming issues arise.
Describe how you use Autotask every day to do your job.
We use Autotask in our business pretty much all day long. It's the second thing I log into besides email. We run all of our tickets through it. We use it for all contracts and billing, and ultimately drive quality assurance through all of the different dashboards and things like that.
And same here for the importance of Autotask. I mostly drive the tickets once they're created and assign and move them throughout the queues.
Okay. And how does Autotask help you work together?
So it's a central point for our business. So
Okay.
we use Autotask from everything from the beginning of the sales process.
Mm-hmm.
We have all our leads and everything, and we move them throughout that process until we onboard them as a customer, and then continue to manage that relationship for years. So we have a lot of communication from sales to operations, and then between departments, procurement, and consulting services. So again, we really use it as the central point for all information regarding our clients.
And for my role, we drive the tickets to completion. We manage how quickly they're assigned and worked on, and from there we're starting to build out projects of things like onboarding the customers. We're using the projects end to deliver other parts of our business, not just an actual specific project of delivering a server to a customer. We're actually using it for the processes as well.
Great. So describe how Autotask has changed the way you do your job, if you could give one example.
For me, it's organization.
Organization.
Absolute. That's paramount for it keeps me organized. I can see what I'm going into the next day with just looking at the queue.
So probably for me, the biggest thing is that it changes the conversations I have with the owners of the company. So we have a lot of data that we can extract in different ways. And so we spend a lot of time kind of in high level working on the business, trying to figure out what specific metrics we're going to measure our service through, and then report against it.
That's great. Looking back, what do you know now that you didn't before Autotask?
Right now, I guess, again, it's that central point. So what I know now is utilization across all departments. I know what we are coming in to work on. You get to see what comes in on a daily basis. Again, the analytics in Autotask are great to get a sense of what you need to attack that day, but also how your week, month will shape out as well.
I think for me, I know now more of what everyone else in the field is doing. I don't get a lot of that email correspondence. The customer will contact them directly. I can now watch that happen through Autotask.
And last question, what kind of returns have you seen from using Autotask?
I think the returns in Autotask are multifaceted. There's a lot of different ways that you can look at it. Ultimately, I think the quality of our product is improved. Service is a difficult product to deliver because it involves so many different people, and Autotask gives us a way to measure that, quantify it, and then take action if we need to.